Okay, we're moving on to Chapter 4, where we're going to be doing constructions. So for the unit for constructions, you're going to need a couple things. You're going to need you're going to need a compass, preferably a good compass. Trust me, it'll get frustrating if you don't have a good compass. And 2, you're going to need a straight edge. You don't need a protractor or anything like that. You just need a ruler. And that should suffice for a straight edge. And what I'm going to do is, I am not actually going to demonstrate the constructions. I'm going to take these worksheets that I have. There's 3 worksheets, and I'm going to find videos of the different constructions. And then I'm going to ask you to pause the video and then try the construction on your worksheet. Okay, are you ready for constructions? All right, here we go.
In this video, we're going to copy segment AB, and we're going to do it using a construction. So remember that for all our constructions, we are allowed to use only a straight edge and a compass. So here you see segment AB. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a ruler, and we are going to simply draw another segment that is clearly longer than our original segment. And then I'm going to label this point as A prime, because it is a copy of point A. Next, I'm going to take my compass, and I'm going to put the point of it at A. I'm going to open the compass up so that it represents the length AB. I'm going to draw a small arc. Then I'm going to pick up my compass without changing it. I'm going to put it on point A prime and do the same thing. So the 2 segments now have the exact same length. So to finish the problem, I'm going to label this point as B prime. This video is going to show you how to use constructions to copy an angle. So here I have angle B. The very first thing I need to do is take my straight edge and draw a ray. So I'm going to draw a ray, and I'm going to label this end. I'm going to label it B prime because it's going to be a copy of point B. Put my arrowhead on. So now I've got a ray. What I need to do is draw the second ray so that the 2 angles will have the exact same size. So to do that, I'm going to take my compass, I'm going to put the point of my compass at B, and then I'm going to draw an arc that intersects both of the rays. Then without changing the compass, pick it up, put the point on B prime, and draw another arc. Okay, now our job is to measure the opening in our first angle using the compass. I'm going to take my compass, I'm going to put the point where the arc intersects the bottom ray, and then I'm going to adjust my compass so that it measures the opening of that angle. I'm going to draw a small arc just to confirm that, and then I'm going to pick up the compass and I'm going to move it over to the corresponding point in the other drawing, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw a small arc, and then I'm going to take my straight edge and draw the other ray. You'll see that angle B and angle B prime are the exact same size. I've copied angle B. So if I take this example of having an angle F and angle G, I want to construct an angle that has the measure of F plus G. So in order to do that, first I'm going to copy angle F. So I'm going to draw my ray, and then I'm going to use my compass and draw an arc. I'm going to put the point of my compass on F, and I'm going to draw an arc. Now I know that I'm also going to be eventually copying angle G as well, so I might as well draw all of my arcs at once. So I'm going to draw the arc on angle F, angle G, and then also on my copy here. Okay, so now I need to copy angle F, so I'm going to take my compass, I'm going to put the point where it intersects the lower ray. I need to adjust the width of my compass, so I measure that opening, and I'm going to mark it off just a little bit. Then I'm going to pick up my compass, put it over here, and mark off an arc again. I've gone ahead and used a red dotted line to draw the other ray, and so that the angle that I have drawn so far matches the size of angle F. But because I'm looking for an angle that has the measure of F plus G, what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the opening of angle G and put that onto the dotted red line. I've got the compass opened to the right measurement. I'm going to pick up the compass, and now I'm going to put it right here and see where it intersects that arc. Then all I have to do is draw my final ray. And this ray makes the angle that I'm interested in. Here I have angle A, and I'm going to construct the bisector of angle A. So to do that, I'm going to take my compass, I'm going to put the point at point A, my vertex, and I'm going to mark off a little arc on the first ray, and then also down on the second ray. So those two arcs are the same distance from the vertex A. Then I'm going to take my compass, and I'm going to put the point where that arc intersects the first ray, and I'm going to draw an arc in the interior, and then I'm going to pick it up, put it on the other point of intersection, and do the same thing. Okay, you'll notice that I have an X in the interior of the angle. So I'm going to connect my vertex point A with that point of intersection of the two X's, and that will be my bisector. What I've drawn here is the bisector, the bisecting ray, for that angle.